Good morning. Today I'm at Driven Lux Circuit in Bryant, Alabama. I think this is the first time I've been here this year, so I'm definitely due for some laps. If you've never been here, it's a track in the middle of nowhere in somebody's backyard. Pretty small, pretty technical, but a lot of fun. Just don't go down there. That could be bad. Today is a special event. It's called Drift Unlimited. Today we're giving special needs kids and adults ride-alongs and drift cars. So it's something normally they wouldn't get to do considering their condition. So it should be a lot of fun for them. I'm expecting to get a lot of smiles, a lot of laughter. So hopefully we can show these kids a good time. I don't know how many is supposed to show up. Essentially today is just for that. We have a select few of drift cars here today. We're just gonna line up, shove kids in cars and do a few laps. I think the plan is to do like 5 laps, which this track isn't very long. Probably keep it chill at first, see how the kid likes it. Make sure he doesn't freak out or do anything crazy. If he seems to have a lot of fun and wants to go faster, then we'll go a little faster. We're not planning on banging doors or anything crazy. Like I said, just keep it mild, but fun. And also these are kind of new. These weren't here the last time I was here. Just a little buried tiles. I guess we're trying to protect the little drop off. Probably need some over here now. Also, the deal for the day, since we're driving, and this is just meant for the kids, special needs kids. So no ride-alongs for anybody else. So it's kind of a bummer for them. But tomorrow, Sunday, is like a normal drift day. So people will come out, have fun, jump in cars, and do whatever we want. Of course, I brought the Z. There's also some familiar faces here. This probably won't be a very huge turnout. This is kind of more of a special event. But there's a few fun cars, like this pretty cool FRS. Ever been in a race car? Like going fast? You know?
You ready? You excited? You buckled in? You feel good?
Yeah, excellent, cool. Look at that, buddy.
Oh, look,
You got a sticker in the car you were
we
in.
got a picture of your car.
Say thank you. Give him a thumbs up. Yeah.
I'm done for the day. Had an awesome day. Got a ton of laps in. Got to do a lot of ride-alongs, even though some of them were a few repeats. Probably wasn't as many kids here as we was hoped, but it was still a decent crowd. So they definitely got to have a lot of fun. Like they were like jumping from car to car to car, essentially, you know. So it's not like they got to go out once and that's it. They got to go in multiple different drift cars. Some of them jumped in mine like 3 times. I'm pretty sure I saw the same kid 3 times. It's probably livery. The kids like the livery. I don't know if I got to show off the new addition to my van, which is a deck so I can stand and a solar bubble. Originally I could have stayed until tomorrow and just drive all day, but I don't have very much tire left. Plus, the very last lap, I don't know if I recorded it or not, I lost power steering. And yeah, underneath my rack's pretty wet. I haven't looked into it yet. I don't know if I hit something or if the lines come loose. There's still some fluid in the reservoir, so hopefully it's not that bad. So I'm gonna go home, unwind, and check that guy out in the morning. And yeah, this was a successful event. Got to meet a lot of kids and even adults smile. This is me from the future. It was just, this came loose right here. So very simple, very easy. So I'm just retorquing it, retightening it. I don't know if it just vibrated loose or I didn't torque it tight enough. I don't know. But this gap here, yeah, it's supposed to be though. I don't like it. I think there should be a jam nut here. Would really help this from coming out. If you've never been to Driven Luck before, if you're a drift guy, I would definitely check it out. Even if you're not a drift guy, it's a good place to come, hang out, chill, jump in drift cars, and just have a good time. But I guess not everybody is done. I thought we were done. Guess not. A few people are still going out. Even though we got all day tomorrow, well, they have all day tomorrow to waste tires. Not sure what the next video is. I am going to Road Atlanta next weekend for Grid Life / Formula Drift, but I'm not driving, I'm just going to spectate. So I probably won't make a video of that. Just go chill, people. And until next time, peace.